Start with your dumbbell over your chest, gripping with your palms facing up. Keep your elbows at a moderate bend, and then inhale while you lower the dumbbell toward the floor, maintaining control and tension through the back, core, and arms during your full range of motion. Exhale as you bring it up, and bring that dumbbell back to the starting position while maintaining that original bend in your elbows. This is a back exercise, so focus on your back as you pull your elbows and dumbbell over your chest. Repeat with good form through your programmed repetitions. This is a dumbbell pullover. It's one of my favorite exercises. It's very powerful for your back and your arms. I've got a dumbbell and a bench. Let's get into it. So the dumbbell pullover is a powerful back exercise. See how Katie keeps a very specific bend in her elbows and maintains that all the way down while stretching her back nice and deep and then flexing her back as the dumbbell comes forward. Katie, you're making this look great. Once you master this in this position, then you can move on to a more advanced version where you're laying with your shoulders on the bench perpendicular. Let's get a look at what that looks like. So now Katie's showing us an advanced version of the dumbbell pullover. She's perpendicular to the bench with just her shoulders resting. You can see she can get much deeper into this stretch, and it requires a lot more control from her core and her legs. So make sure you master that beginner version before you try this one. Nice job, Katie.